Hi, I'm Susana. Hola, soy Susana y soy de Inglaterra, pero ahora vivo en España y me encanta España. I'm from England and I'm living in Spain now. My teaching experience is with children and adults. I teach children between the ages of 3 and 8 years old, and I teach adults of all levels. So if you're a complete beginner or more advanced, I can help you at whatever level you're at. Through learning a second language myself, I do understand the problems and the difficulties that arise. So whether you have problems with pronunciation or a particular area, we can work through that together. Please book a lesson or a trial lesson. We can have a chat about what level you're at and how you'd like to progress, and I will work with you and do my best to ensure that you get the best out of your classes. Thank you. Look forward to speaking to you soon.